On March 14th, 1879, Albert Einstein was born. Albert's parents were worried. They thought something was wrong with him because he didn't speak until he was 3 or 4 years old.
On 1881, Albert's baby sister was born, but he was disappointed because she had no wheels.
(1889) Albert always liked to think. When he went to school, he loved geometry because it was like solving a puzzle. His teacher thought Albert asked too many questions, plus Albert went to high school at the age of 10. Albert's parents moved to Italy and they left him at school in Germany. 1902, Albert started to work at a patent office. A patent is when a person that invents something and sends it to a patent office to get a check. If it's not invented yet, then it becomes a patent invention. This was Albert's best years because he had a wife, child, and a good job.
Theory of relativity. Albert invented the theory of relativity, and this is what it means. For example, when you look up and see an airplane, it goes really slow, but when you're right next to it, it goes by just like a blink of an eye. And that is the theory of relativity. 1913. Albert went back to Germany because he got a job as a professor at the University of Zurich. They would pay him more money than he ever made, and it felt like a dream come true because he can teach anything that he wants.
In 1919, Albert married his cousin Elsa.
1922. In 1922, Albert won a Nobel Prize for Physics. It is the most important prize a scientist can ever get. Albert deserved it.
In 1940, Albert became a U.S. citizen.
1955. Albert died on April 18, 1955. He wasn't assassinated, he just died because his health was very poor and weak. After Albert died, Dr. Harvey took Albert's brain and studied it, and it sat there in a jar for over 40 years. Preview.
We honor Albert Einstein as one of the greatest scientists in the world.